All the speakers are amazing. I would definitely recommend it.
Since my first one, a lot of miracles have happened. As small as they are, they just keep getting bigger and bigger and better.
Doesn't matter what frame of mind you come in, Master Sri Akarshana breaks it down for you.
Amazing guy. I never felt so much energy from someone.
He combined the natural with the energetic and the metaphysical, and then it all comes together.
You can literally manifest anything from love life to wealth to spirituality to yoga.
Giving you the machine to actually manifest everything you want. So how much you're going to put for that? How much money you can put for that? There's no money that can buy that, right?
Really helps you to see a greater picture than what you may have even imagined for yourself.
It is so uplifting. It's so enlightening.
So it's like time traveling for a little bit, like quantum traveling. And
it's broken my chains. I don't have to be that person that I think that I am.
The money I spent on this was nothing compared to the knowledge I gained.
The whole weekend, it was nothing but aha moments.
There's no limit to the knowledge that you can learn.
A jumpstart in whatever you're doing.
Techniques that I now can use on a daily basis.
If you are a spiritual person, you really must have to join this
amazing event. You have to do this.
If you are looking to shift your world,
open a huge box of opportunities.
There's something here for everyone.
Take that leap of faith.
Manifesting miracles.